Hi, I'm Carissa Workman, City of Santee's Fire Marshal. Laundry is part of all of our daily routines. However, we could still change our habits to make it a safer, more efficient process. From 2014 through 2018, U.S. fire departments responded to an estimated average of 13,820 home structure fires per year, in which dryers were involved in the ignition. 1/3 of these fires were caused by failure to clean them. Let's prevent these fires by following the clothes dryer safety tips. Have a professional install and service your dryer. They can also check that the right plug and outlet are used for the dryer. Keep the area around your dryer clear of things that can burn, such as cardboard boxes. The pipes within the dryer are key to keep it functioning, so make sure the metal venting material is rigid or flexible enough to sustain proper airflow. Keep the air exhaust pipe clear and clean out the lint from the pipe at least once a year. Don't forget that the lint filter in the dryer should be cleared out before each load and any lint in the drum. Gas dryers should be inspected for gas leaks by qualified professionals. There are a few things that shouldn't go into your dryer. Clothes that were in contact with flammable substances. They should be dried outside, then washed and dried as usual. Too many clothes. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines. Turn off the dryer when going to bed or leaving your house. Keep you, your home, and your dryer safe.